Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet 5100 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC. Click on the properties, wait for a few seconds, scroll down, and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP 5100 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link, whatever first link is. And official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find HP LaserJet 5411 printer series. Okay, it is a series printer. And here we find our operating system and the bit. If bit is not right or operating system is not right, then click on choose a different OS, select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit and click on the update. And this page goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down and here we find driver universal printer driver, expand it. Here we find two options, HP universal printer driver for Windows PostScript and with the PSL 6. Okay, you can download any option that you want, first option or second option. First of all, what is this HP universal printer driver? All HP printers, old HP printers support these drivers. They are supports HP universal printer driver. You can download the HP universal printer driver and install it. All old printers are connected with that and they started printing. That is the basic concept. Go to these drivers or this driver. I go to the first drivers, click on the download. It's redirect to another HP page and download is started at the top. It's take few seconds. Download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install this setup file. And this setup file is a basically zip file and we are going to unzip this setup file. Right click on it. Click on the extract files, click on the OK. Wait for a few seconds, new folder or the new extracted folder, unzip folder is created, double click on it. And here we find our setup file. Okay, close it. Next step is install it, go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, we find add a printer or scanner, click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. The new options are the printer that I want isn't listed, click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed, click on that. Click on the yes, close it. Here we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with menu settings, select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation, click at it. And if you find any port name USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port, click on the next, click on hard disk, click on the browse, go to the desktop. Here we find one folder, newly unzip folder, double click on this unzip folder, extracted folder, double click on it. Here we find some file, select any file that you want. All file contains same printer driver, select any file, click on the open, click on the OK. Here we find HP universal printing PS or with the version number. I select first, you can also select second and click on the next. Here we find the printer name, give any printer name that you like. I give HP LaserJet 5100. You can give any printer name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer driver on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds to install this printer driver. Make sure wait for a few seconds, don't cancel it. After that our printer is installed. After that, if you want to set share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. I click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet 5100, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.